Hello, want to know how to earn a second income up to 1 lakh per month with Microsoft Advanced Excel without disturbing your first income or job? Skill Up Yourself Academy presents a free masterclass on advanced Microsoft Excel tool. Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular tool used worldwide. But a very few people, less than 1% of them, know the use of advanced Microsoft Excel. The best thing on learning Microsoft Advanced Excel is that there is no coding or programming knowledge is required, no technical background, no experience, and no age barrier. You are a fresher or you are a freelancer or you are a working professional, whoever you may be, you can earn up to 1 lakh per month with the help of Microsoft Advanced Excel tool. You can earn from the comfort of your home by scheduling time according your priorities. You know that time is very precious, so don't be late as seats are limited. Book now for free masterclass on 3 proven method to earn 1 lakh per month as a second income with the help of Microsoft Advanced Excel tool.